Welcome to a new day of mental wellness. Let's begin with mindful breathing to center ourselves. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. Hold for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Focus on your breath and let go of any distracting thoughts. Repeat this process for 5 minutes. Each step on this journey builds a routine for inner peace and well-being. So, let's take the first step together and breathe in the calm. Choose a few positive affirmations that resonate with you, such as, I am capable, I am strong, and I am worthy. Repeat these affirmations aloud or silently. Embrace the feelings they bring, believing in the words you say. Each repetition reinforces a positive mindset, empowering you and building self-esteem. Remember, it's not just about saying the words, but truly believing them. As we continue, you'll see how these affirmations create a foundation for your mental wellness routine. Take out a journal or a piece of paper and write down your thoughts and feelings. You might note things you are grateful for, challenges on your mind, or future goals. The key is to express yourself freely, without judgment. Scribble whatever comes to mind, whether it's a stream of consciousness, detailed stories, or random words. This unfiltered expression is powerful, providing a space to be completely honest with yourself. Don't worry about grammar or making sense. Transferring your thoughts to paper helps process and understand your emotions. Let your hand flow and your mind wander, free from editing or second-guessing. Journaling offers a personal retreat within the pages. You might discover insights or solutions, or simply feel relief. This practice bridges your thoughts and feelings, enhancing self-understanding. Next, we'll see how physical activity can further this journey to mental wellness. Engaging in physical activity is a vital step in your daily mental wellness routine. Find an activity that you truly enjoy, whether it's a brisk walk around your neighborhood, a rejuvenating yoga session, a few minutes of stretching, or a high-energy workout. Ensure it resonates with you and makes you feel good. Physical movement releases tension in the body and boosts your mood. As you move, you'll feel more relaxed and uplifted, ready to take on the rest of your day with a clear mind and joyful heart. Next, we'll explore more techniques to further enhance your relaxation, ensuring a well-rounded approach to mental well-being. Find a quiet place where you can truly relax. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and visualize a peaceful scene, perhaps a serene beach or tranquil forest. Focus on vivid details, the sound of waves or the rustling of leaves. Let these images wash over you, easing your mind and calming your body. Embrace the stillness and feel at peace. Next, you'll learn about the importance of social connections in enhancing your mental well-being. Reach out to a friend or family member. This connection can be through a phone call, video chat, or even a text message. Sharing your thoughts and listening to theirs creates a comforting bond. In today's digital age, maintaining social connections is vital for mental well-being. Think of someone who makes you feel at ease and connect with them. These small interactions significantly impact your mood and perspective. Our networks provide support, empathy, and understanding, crucial for mental health. As we continue, you'll see how these social interactions play a crucial role in a well-rounded daily mental wellness routine. Reflect on 3 things you are grateful for today, big or small. Write them down and take a moment to appreciate them. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life, cultivating a mindset of positivity and well-being. This simple practice can transform your outlook and enhance your mental wellness. As you conclude your daily routine, remember that a grateful heart sees endless possibilities and beauty in everyday moments. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep practicing gratitude, and you'll see its positive impact on your life.